times I've questioned certain circumstances with things I could not understand. But many times in trials, weakness blurs my vision, and it's my frustration gets so out of hand. It's then I am reminded I've never been forsaken. I've never had to stand a test alone. As I looked at all the victories, the Spirit rises up in me, and it's through the fire my weakness is made sure. The cross will not get heavy, and the hills will not be hard to climb. He never offered a victory without fighting, but he said help will always come in time. Just remember where you're standing, in the valley of decisions, and the adversary just giving. You just hold on. Our Lord will show up, and he will take you through the fire again. I know within myself that I will surely perish, but if I trust the hand of God, he'll chill the flames again. He never promised that the cross will not get heavy, and the hills will not be hard to climb. He never offered a victory without fighting, but he said help will always come in time. But just remember where you're standing, in the valley of decisions, and the adversary just giving. Just hold on. Our Lord will show up, and he will take you through the fire again. He never promised that the cross will not get heavy, and the hills will not be hard to climb. He never offered a victory without fighting, but he said help will always come in time. Just remember where you're standing, in the valley of the sea. Oh, and the adversary says giving. Just hold on. Our Lord will show up here, and he will take you through the fire again. So just hold on. Our Lord will show up, and he will take you through the fire again.
Kosipeli masini toi whamooni o momani. Pela I pepa pe. O whamooni I he iki o momani I he tohi o mo. Whonga pe lao e whomua ia I hamo tohi pe. Tau he mo tohi pe mea. Whitai lai. Tori e tau paspasi mai. Mai tohi sepi pe. Mai sahi. Ia masi. e ka pina toilea pa mai Kosipeli se unga